5. So we are going to start the new chapter for the computer class 4. It's a chapter number 5, and we done already chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the last term. Okay, so everybody open the page number what? A page number 35. Everybody open the page number 35. The name of the chapter number 5 is Viz through software. Everybody open the page number 35. Everybody open the page number 35. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so everybody is on the page number 5. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So the chapter number 5 is about the Viz through software. As name shows, as name shows that, as name shows that, this chapter is about the software, is about the software. Where we use software? We use software in computer, in tablet, in mobile, in all the smart gadgets, in all the smart machines. We use the software in everything. Okay, so right now we are talking about a software of a computer. Right now we are talking about a software of a computer. So what is software? What is software? Okay, now the software consists of a programs. The first line of the okay, someone's joined the class right now. Okay, so the first line of the chapter is saying that software consists of a program. Remember
Good
one thing.
morning, sir.
Every okay, good morning. Everything inside, every program inside the computer is called a software. The word software and programs both are used interchangeably. Both are used interchangeably. For example, what is software? Software, we can say a software which can do something for us. Okay, so what software we use for typing? We use Microsoft Word. Which program we use to type? We use Microsoft Word. So the word is used for both of the things. The software and programs both are used for one thing. So both words can be used interchangeably. Okay. Software consists of programs. It contains programs, small programs. The small programs make a one big software. A program is a set or an organized set of instruction. A program is a organized set of instruction. Instruction means command or the order. Okay, so a program is an organized set of order, command, or the instruction, and that tells a computer what to do and how to do it. So this program is just telling the computer what to do and how to do. So this program is just saying that what to do and how to do. So it tells whom? It tells the computer. So software consists of programs. Software consists of programs. It tells computer what to do and how to do. Okay. So software consists of a program. A program is an organized set of instruction that tells a computer what to do and how to do it. So there are how many kinds? There are two kinds of software. There are two kinds of software. There are two kinds of software. The first one is the system software, and the next one is application software. So there are two kinds of software. System software is used to control all the activities. System software is used to control all the activities within a computer system. As name shows, as name shows that, as name shows that, what does this software do? This software will control all the activities inside a computer system. A system software control, manage and integrates. Okay. So, as we know very well, what is controlling? Management. For example, which program or software will get how much RAM, which program will run first, which thing will done first, which thing will done afterwards. All this thing is a management and integrates the functioning of different parts of the computer. So they are attaching or associating or integrating the functioning of different parts. For example, you are typing something, you want to print that word which you type in the typing software. So you just give the command of print. So now computer is associating your command, your instruction and your software with the printer itself. In this way, they are integrating the functioning of the different parts of the computer. So which software is managing this? A system software. A system software is used to control all the activities. It's just like a Upshur. Do you guys know what is Upshur? Do you guys know what is Upshur?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, I know it.
No,
okay,
sir.
okay.
I know it.
Okay, if you know it, that's great. Upshur is just a system in which every person of the kingdom, the information of every person of the person, the information of every person is stored in that system. Okay, Upshur is an online system of a Saudi government. In this, it is necessary and obligatory for everyone to put their information or make an account on the Upshur so that the government can monitor or control and manage all the things, your bank account, your property, your taxes, your fines, if any. So, in this way, the work of Upshur is done by the computer. Upshur is just an example of that thing. Everything will be controlled by the government with the help of that system. In the same way, everything is controlled in the computer with the help of a system software. With the help of system software control all the activities of the computer system. Now, system software control, manage, and integrates. For example, if someone asks, what does system software do? System software controls, manage, and integrate the functioning of different parts of computer. The Microsoft Windows, the Windows you are using, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, or Windows 8.1, every Microsoft Windows operating system is an example of system software because your Windows is controlling your computer. For example, if there is no window inside your computer, can you use it? No, because
No.
the hardware you are using can't be controlled by the without the operating system. It is very much necessary. For example, you are using Android. Android is a operating system available in the cell phones other than the Apple phone. Okay, in every cell phone there is an Android other than the Apple phone. In Apple phones there is a iOS. iOS is the operating system of Apple phones. Okay, it's iPhone's operating system iOS, and Android. All the other cell phones have the Android like Samsung, Motorola, Huawei, and all the other cell phones, all of them are using the operating system. For example, if iPhone doesn't have iOS and Samsung doesn't have Android, then what you can do on the mobile? You can't do nothing. You can do nothing. Why? Because the things, the control cannot be done. You can't control because they become the piece of hardware. You can just touch it, but you can't control it. So without operating system, you can't control the system, whether it's a computer, it's a tablet, it's a mobile, or it's a laptop. You need a system software in it, because without system software you cannot handle any hardware, you cannot operate any hardware. So everybody understand this thing?
Yes.
Everybody
Yes,
understand
sir.
this thing till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so every program or every software inside the computer, every software in the computer called as program, or every program is a software. But remember one thing, in each and every software there are some small programs. Those small programs make a one big software. Okay, for example, one program is to exit the document, one program is to save the document, one program is to copy the document, one program is just to print the document. When all these small programs can be combined in a one software, like in Microsoft Word, it become the software. Okay, so as I told you earlier, that software and programs, these terms used interchangeably in today's modern world. Okay, like we are saying that send me the document file, okay, or send me the Word file. Okay, the Word file or the document, both are same. When we say someone send me the file, someone is saying send me the document, both words are same, used normally for Microsoft Word files. Okay, now on the same page, let me clear the screen first. Now on the same page we have some activities, we have some activities. So as we know that system software controls just a system. Remember, it just control the system. It can't control the things, the games. It can manage the system, but it will not give you access to the games and the other software. Okay. So there are some activities. Are these activities controlled by the system software? As name shows, it is a part of a system. Game, we play game on the computer, but game is not a part of computer. Computer can run without games. Computer can run without drawing, but computer can't run without the Windows, without the system software. So are these activities controlled by the system software? Shutting down the computer. Shutting down the computer. What do you think? We can shut down the computer by system control. Are these things done by it? See, system control. What do you think, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's a
Yes.
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 We can shut down the
Yes.
computer by using the
Ye-
system software, because when we give the command
Yes.
to shutting down the computer, the system software will take a charge. The system software will take a charge and shut down the system. This is a responsibility or the duty of the system software to shut down. Okay, so this is the responsibility or the duty of the system software to shut down the computer. Okay, now we are directly moving towards the fourth one. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of booting up? What is the meaning of booting up?
Same of shutting.
On. Turning on.
Turning
Shutting,
on.
shunning,
Very good,
shutting.
Tafim.
Turning on.
Turning on. Ayad and
Turning on.
Ayan and Tafim. Very
Turning
good.
on.
It's a turning on the
Sir, I
computer.
also knew it.
Ah, very good, Rajatava. That's great. You all guys know it.
Turning
I
on.
know very well. I know
Sir,
very
boot
well.
up
Every
is
one of you
boot
knows
up
it
is the
because
on.
your papers and everyone done the very good papers. So that's good. If you guys remember it,
Sir,
booting up
sir,
means
booting up
starting up
means
the
turn
computer.
on.
So as you know very well,
Yes, sir.
that shutting down the computer is done by system software. So what do you think? Starting up the computer is a responsibility of system software or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
it is
Yes,
system software.
Yes.
yes,
What
Yes,
we will write here?
it's a yes. Okay, what we will write? Okay.
yes.
So let me write. So you have to give the answer in the yes or the no. Let me write the answer for you. The answer for this one is the yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And last one,
And the
yes.
answer for the last one is also the yes. Okay.
Because they are
Now what we have
And the
one
last two
more,
are no.
two more. Okay. So let's see. So the activity is designing a card. We can do the drawing. We can design the card on the computer. Is this thing done by the system
no,
software?
no,
Oh, no.
Okay. So
No.
no.
And
Why?
let's
Because this thing
not
is done
also.
by the other software. It is not done by the system software. So it's a clear no. It is not the responsibility of the system software to design
yes.
card. It is the responsibility of other software. Okay. So it's a clear no.
What
It's
means,
a
sir, what
clear
means
no.
playing Scrabble?
Now playing Scrabble. Did you guys play chess?
Problem. No.
Yes,
Did
I
you
play
guys see the
chess.
chess?
Yes.
No, I used to play chess, but not now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I know.
Okay, okay. Scrabble is just a game. Scrabble is just a game. If you search
Okay.
it on the
For
net, you
example,
will get to
playing
know
a
it's just
game.
a game. So, designing a card or playing a game is yes or no? What do you think?
No.
Yes,
It's a
yes.
no.
No.
No,
No.
it's a
No,
no.
sir, no.
Games are not handled by the system software. It is not a duty of system software to
I
handle them.
sir,
Playing Scrabble or designing card is not a
I think
responsibility of system software.
sir, I think
Yes,
I
the
understand
shutting
it.
down the computer
I
and
understand.
starting up the computer means booting up the computer is a responsibility of computer. It's a clear yes. So the
Sir,
answer sequence for the activity on this page is shutting down the computer. It's a yes.
sir, I have a
Designing the
question.
card. It's a no. Playing Scrabble. It's again no. And booting up or starting up the computer. It's a yes. So everybody write it in the book.
Uh, First thing and last
I
thing
have a
is
question.
yes, and and the second and the third no.
Yes, you are right.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question.
Okay. Yes. What's your question?
Um,
What is
by
Scrabble?
what do you mean by that it is the system software control all the activities within a computer system? I understand it that it controls. So, for example, the mouse when you do another thing that the
Yes.
system software controls it. So the playing Scrabble will be yes.
Okay. Okay. See. Okay. Adam asked a very good question. So, what does system software do? System software controls the things which are necessary to control. For example, you move your mouse on the desk and you see
Yes.
the cursor is moving on the screen. So in this way, the movement of mouse is done by the system software. When you press
Yes.
keys,
Because it's
when
a
you press
software.
keys or you connect your keyboard with the computer. When you connect the keyboard with the computer, the system software detects that something is connected. When you connect the speaker, when you connect the USB, when you connect the printer with the computer, who detects that you connect these things with the computer? A system software notify that something is connected. So when you connect your mobile phone with the computer, which software is detecting that you are connecting something? Your system
So
software
system
detects
software.
this that something is connected there. Okay. So on the same page, what we okay. You're okay. So many students. Okay. So control means the charge. Abdul Rahman Hussain asked, "What is control?" Control means the charge you gave to other person. Okay. For example, the control. Okay. So control is just a authority, the power. Okay. For example, when you switch on the computer, before switching on the computer, the power or the authority is with you. Okay. So you have the power to control the system when you press the CPU button to switch on the computer. Now the control is goes to the computer. Now the computer is starting loading and screen is coming up. Now the lock screen is there on which you have to put your password. So computer will on the control is with the computer and computer is loading the your windows, and now it comes the first screen. Your lock screen is waiting for you to enter the password. Now control is coming to you. When you enter the password, the control is again given to the computer, and you are waiting for the computer to show your icons. Okay. I'm just giving you one more example for the control. For example, you go to ATM, you take out money from the ATM. You go to ATM, you put the card in the machine. You give the control of the card to machine. The machine will check that the card is working, the machine is working. Okay, if the machine is not working, it will show you that the machine is not in order. So you can't proceed further. So now the control is with the machine. Machine is okay. Your card is okay. Okay. Then machine will give you the message. Enter your passcode or password. So now control is come to you from machine. Machine will wait for you until you enter your password. When you enter the password, the control is again gained from you, given from you to machine. Now machine is giving you options, taking out a money, taking out a receipt, or whatever you want to do, or you want to do the transfer. So you select the operation. Now control is coming to you. You select what you have to do. In this way, the control is changing from human to machine and machine to human. Here machine means the computer. So this is the example of control. So in this page, there there is also the unscrambling of the word. So we have to unscramble the letters to match the meanings. So that's good. That's good, Amr. Okay, someone's joined the class right now. Now what you have to do, there is a word given to you. The words are mixed there. You have to make a word from it. The hint for this word is given that it's a computer equipment. I'm just giving you one more hint. You can touch it physically. You can touch it physically with your fingers. You can touch it with physically the computer equipment. What we can make from that one? Till now, in the okay, Amrayman, Tafim Zaman, Ayad, Al Baradori, all give the right answer. Okay, till now. That's great, Adam, Ziad Salim. Very nice. Okay, so as okay, everyone can participate in the chat. Everybody can participate in the chat. You guys just send the message. Yes, Fadi, you are right. So many students are sending the message in the chat. I am waiting for everyone so that I will take everyone's name. Mohammad Fadi give the answer. Good. Rajatava, that's great. Okay. Arhan, give the right answer. Ahmadullah Mehman. Umar Muhammad. Jibrail. Mohammad Hussain. Very good. Mohammad Hussain Hassan. Hatim. All these students give the right answer in the chat. Very good. That's great. You guys pick the right hand. Okay. Okay. So we can touch this thing physically with the hand. Yes, Nawaf, you are right. Adam. Oh, Adam explains it. Very good, Adam. Adam explains the second answer. Adam gives the second answer and also explains it. Very good, Adam. That's very nice. So, very good. So, the first thing is Muhammad Hussain Hassan, you are right. Muhammad Fadi, you are also right. So many students gave both the answers. Very good. You guys are great. So, the first thing which we can touch physically, and this thing is very hard. So, now everyone knows it's a hardware. It's a hardware. So we can make hardware from that scrambled word, and we have to unscramble them, and after unscrambling we can get the real word, and real word would be the hardware. It's a HAR. Let me make it prominent. Okay. So it's a hardware. So we unscramble the first word. Hardware is a computer equipment we can touch, we can physically feel it. Okay. So we have a next word. Just give you the hint. This word, this word is reverse of that word. The reverse or the opposite of hardware is this word. The word is given. It's a computer program. We can't touch the computer program. We can just see it. Yes, you are right. Jibrail, Arhan, Adam, Ziad Salim, Tafim Zaman, Abdul Rahman Hussain, Ayad Hamad. Yes, Ayad Hamad, you are very much right. He also explains the answer very good. Ayan, Umar Muhammad, you guys are great. Very good. So, the answer for this one is a reverse of hardware. Okay. So, everyone can give the answer. Everyone can unmute their mics and give the answer.
Software.
Software.
Software,
Software,
It is
software,
the
Second one is
computer that we can
software.
touch and we
software. It's a software.
Software. First one hard.
Yes, you are right, Jibrail. You are very much right. Very good. Jibrail, everyone. Jibrail, Mohannad, Mazen, Umar, Ayan, Ayad, Adam, Ziad, Abdul Rahman Hussain, Muhammad Khalid, and Mazen Muhammad, Mohannad, Rajatawa, all these and all the other students gave the correct answer. Till now, no one gave incorrect or wrong answer. Everybody gave the right answer. So, very good to everyone. You guys are excellent. Okay. So, the answer for this one is a software. Let me write it. See, everyone gave the right answer. Nobody gave the wrong answer. It means all of you are understanding the things very well and you know the things very well. That's great. Let me make it according to the blanks so that everyone can easily write it. Okay. So it's a software. Software is a computer program. We can touch hardware physically. It's a computer equipment. We can touch it, feel it, but we can't control it without the software. So software is a program we can just see it, but we can't touch it, can't feel it. So everybody understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. Okay, very good. Three students explain their answers. Okay, that's good. One more student, it's Adam. Adam also explains the answer. That's good. Ayad Hamad also explains the answers. So three students till now explains their answer. They know the answer and also explains it. Very good. That's great. Okay. Uh, so everybody, everybody write this thing in their books.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I finished, sir. I finished off.
Okay.
Sir, I
I
finished.
write it,
Sir,
sir, and I finish it.
I finished
I
also.
finished.
Finish it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Okay, that's great.
explained the software and hardware, not the software only.
Sorry, what are you saying?
I explained the hardware and the software,
Yes,
not the
Adam, you also
software
explained
only.
it. Okay, you
Yes.
also explained it. Okay,
Okay,
so
but I think
everyone gave the
I thought that you
right
don't
answer.
see it.
Everyone gave the right answer to the blanks. Okay,
Okay.
so now we are
Sir,
moving.
we are so smart.
Okay, okay, you all are smart. Okay, so let me erase it.
Sir, we will make the next page.
Yes. On the next page, we have the page number 36. Everybody open the page number 36.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So on the page number 36, let me tell you one more thing. You guys use Windows. You guys use Windows
Yes.
10, Windows 8, or
I'm
Windows
using I'm
7.
using Windows 7.
Oh, okay, that's
I'm
good.
using
All
Windows.
of these
Me
Windows
too. I
are
am using
operating
Windows 7.
system.
Windows
I
10.
using Windows 10.
All of these Windows are operating system. Android is operating system. iOS is operating system. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, all of them are operating system. The short form of the operating system is OS, like CPU. When our computer is not working, what we say? We say the CPU is not working perfectly. The CPU is very good. We don't say this thing, the central processing unit is very good or not working. We know what is the full form of CPU, but we use the short form. Like we use the short form for the CD. We see that give me the CD, give me the DVD. We don't say this thing, give me the digital versatile disk. Nobody told this thing. Why? Because we use the short form. So in the same way, the operating system has a short form. The short form is OS. Okay, the short form of operating system is a OS. OS stands for operating system. Windows is a OS. Windows is a operating system. Android is a OS. iOS is a OS. Okay, so everything is a every operating system is a OS. So OS is a short form for the operating system. We will continue from here in the next class because the time of the period is finished. And one more thing, the assignment is available there in the class slide, and we will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay, best of luck and have a nice day, everyone.
Have a nice day,